Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic Assignment 4 for 18th week. Our today's lecture number 18. My dear students, let's start our class. This is Assignment 4 for 18th week. Our today's assignment topic is numerous collisions take place around you. Identify any 5 of these collisions and which one is the most terrific. Explain that with causes. My dear students, you can take help from nature, media and collect information from internet to make this assignment. Okay, my dear students, here I have given incident 1. That means in your assignment here said that identify any 5 of the collisions. Okay, so you have to write 5 collisions about this. You have to write 5 collisions about this assignment, and I have here given example of that incident. That is incident 1. A child was killed when a covered van hit him on the Pragati Saroni road in Dhaka city. The accident took place of that road around at 9:30 a.m. on Sunday. The name of the child is Tashfiq. He is the son of Ashfaqur Rahman. The child was crossing the road from the west to east while going to school. At that time, a covered van going towards that boy and at a reckless speed and pushed the child, and he died on the spot. So my dear students, here I have given accident this incident about a road accident, and you have to write another examples of these collisions, that is incident 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you have to write from these collisions. You have to write the which one is the most from this incident, which one is the most terrific. You have to explain that collisions with reason. And here I have given the reasons for road accidents. Okay, so there are many reasons for this road accident. Here, number 1, excessive speed and overtaking. Number 2, narrow roads. Then overloading, disobeying the law, and the traffic mismanagement. My dear students, so I hope you have understood your today's topic. So write this assignment or do this assignment of your own, and you can take help from nature, media, and you can collect information also from internet. So your assignment submission date is 9th October 2021. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic, that is assignment 4 topic, and do this assignment of your own and submit it on Saturday. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.